Hi, my name is Vikram and we are here at Guppy. We're here doing a couple of dishes. Now to start with, we have this beautiful ramen which is churned homemade. We have this stock which is Chashu stock, the pork bone stock which is brewed for almost 72 hours. We have egg which is soy cured egg which is there sitting in soy stock for almost 24 hours. We have the chashu slices, the pork chashu slices which is sitting in the stock for 36 hours. So there's endless effort to put up this bowl, but trust me, it's gonna be very nice. So shall we start?